Just as a note, you'll notice the Carfax is showing a previous incident. It was an accident involving the front left side of the vehicle. I just wanted to show you that it has been fully repaired and you cannot even tell that there was any damage there. It was just $1,000, so not a whole lot to fix the vehicle. So that's a quick look at our 2015 Cruze. It has been very well maintained. It's exceptionally clean. It is fuel efficient. Also, it has 10 standard airbags, which is more than any other vehicle in its class. So you will be definitely nice and safe. I personally have owned a 15 Cruze and I loved it. It was great on both short and long drives. So if you'd like to experience this vehicle, come see it for yourself. Visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com and come take it for a test drive and see if it's perfect for your lifestyle. Thanks so much for your time and have a great day. Hi there, Allie here at Ontario Motor Sales, and we are having a look at our 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. Now this is a special one because it is an OMS original, meaning it was purchased here when it was brand new, it's been serviced here, as well it was traded back to us. It has a 1.4 liter turbo engine, making it peppy, yet very fuel efficient. It rides on 16-inch aluminum wheels. It opens to a quite spacious trunk, allowing you a lot of cargo options. It is certified pre-owned, so you will have the benefit of that program. It also has remote start, which I love, especially in the winter time. It also has a bunch of goodies on the inside, so let's take a closer look. Starting with the rear seats, we do have that nice leather interior, seating for 3 back here or 2 comfortably with a drop-down cup holder there. A very clean vehicle, definitely been well maintained by its previous owner. You do have the nice power driver's seat there and the Pioneer premium speakers. Also stepping into the front seat, we have a 7-inch color touchscreen giving you access to XM radio, which you do get the free trial, 3-month trial upon purchase. Also Bluetooth for phone and audio streaming, which can be accessed right on your steering wheel. We have climate control, as well as those lovely heated seats and a nice USB port in your center console for connecting your devices. And of course, not to be forgotten, the power sunroof, which not so great for this time of year, but come the summer, you will definitely appreciate that addition.